question asks us to name the following structure, specifying whether the alkene is cis or trans. First thing I'll do is locate the parent hydrocarbon. The longest consecutive chain of carbon atoms is 6. The name for the 6-carbon hydrocarbon is hexane. But I know this is not going to be a hexane because I have a double bond in the molecule. So it's not going to be a hexane, it's going to be a hexene. Looking at the substituents in this molecule, on carbon number 2, I have the alkene. And on carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, on carbon number 5, I have this 4-carbon ring. A 4-carbon ring is a cyclobutane ring. So on carbon 5, I have a cyclobutyl group. I can then add these together in alphabetical order for the IUPAC naming. I don't really usually need to do alphabetical order. Cyclobutyl is my only substituent. So when I put this together, I'll have 5-cyclobutyl. Hex2-ene. The last thing to add to this name is whether the alkene is cis or trans. If I look at this molecule and I split the alkene down the middle, if I draw a line through the alkene, I see that the highest priority group, the methyl group, and the rest of the carbon chain are in opposite hemispheres. That means it is a trans molecule, and so I can put trans in front. Trans 5-cyclobutyl hex2-ene.